You're all welcome to today's World Photography Day. It has been a wonderful moment, and this morning we all had a photo walk.
But looking at the faces of the people we have here, I won't just take my seat and I will not end up just saying, welcome, welcome, welcome.
Oh, I see. Because this picture is not just a photograph, it is a prayer. It is not just an ink, it is inheritance. It is not just color, it is a covenant.
As photographers, we are an extension of our eyes. And what we try to do at all times is to make sure that what the eyes sees or what the eyes gives to the other person on the other side is true. So that's part of why truth matters to every one of us as photographers.
You have to take social media seriously. It is very, very important. Just look. Now, I think gone are those days when you want to promote your work, you start going to blogs. And you see, if your work is good, people will take it. It is the truth. I'm a living testimony.